Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share an amazing Hostinger coupon code that'll help you save a lot of money on your hosting purchase. Just click the link in the description and you'll be taken to the Hostinger page. Right now, there's a Black Friday sale going on, but even if you watch this after the sale ends, the coupon code will still work. You'll see that there are 3 hosting plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud. For this demo, I'll show you how it works with the Business plan. Just click on Choose Plan, and after a moment, you'll see the pricing. Now, go ahead and apply the coupon code BPSPECIAL to get a 15% discount. Just hit Apply, and you'll see the discount reflected. A quick note, this coupon code only works if you choose the 48-month plan. If you opt for a 12-month or 24-month plan, the code won't apply. In that case, you can use a different code, MIDU, which will give you a 10% discount. That's still a great deal if you're starting out. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to check out the link in the description, and thanks for watching.